Welcome back, everybody. I'm going to show you a clever way to use some leftover rice. You'll be amazed. Let's get into it. All right, you guys. Today, we're going to be doing some stir-fried rice with some leftover white rice that you get from the Chinese restaurant, and some leftover meat in the oven. In the refrigerator. All right, so first thing first is, heating up the oil. We're going to saute about half an onion. All right, so, and I forgot to mention, don't forget to add some oil. Put your temperature on medium heat. And what you're going to do is just saute it up. You're not going to cook it down too much to get a little color. Because a lot of times, in stir-fried rice, this is going to be pork stir-fried rice. Pork and loin stir-fried rice. I'm going to have pork and loin, but you can add shrimp in here. You can add whatever you like. So let's just come to a little bit of clear. We don't want it to be, burnt or nothing like that, or get a little char on it. So once we get this far, the next thing we're going to do is add in our leftover rice. So that's a rice from the meal I had, so leftover rice. Add it in. Like I said, you can have leftover rice. You can have some white rice, day old rice. It's up to you on how what you want to do. So just smack it in. Mix all the ingredients together. All right, now I'm just telling you, this is a really, really simple, easy, fried rice to do. Now lower your temperature down, because we're gonna actually add in your egg, you guys. So what I normally do is make a little hole in the center. Add a little oil, vegetable oil in the center, like that. Let it heat up, and add your egg. 2 eggs. So I'll put 2 eggs in. Like I said, I told you, it's really simple. So I'm gonna let this cook, for a little bit until you start noticing it get a little bit done. Notice a couple of your pieces of rice are kind of hard. Just smash them down. Mind you, you want some day old rice to make stir-fried rice. So see how the egg is getting a little bit, done. So we're gonna start folding everything in next. Alrighty. So like I said, this is real simple, easy. Now I'm gonna do no takes. It's gonna be straight. One way to do it. Now you can do a half a cup. So whatever meat you like. So I'm just gonna add that in. You know what I'm saying? You can't have stir fry without peas and carrots, guys. So add that all in. So that's a half a cup as well. So the amount of rice I had, that was almost about a cup. So just fold everything in. This is when you start tossing everything together, eggs and all. Now here comes your seasonings, because I know you probably wondering like, well, you didn't add no seasonings in this. Well, what we're gonna do is add 2 or 3 teaspoons of soy sauce and a little bit of sesame oil. So probably a tablespoon of sesame oil. And that's it, guys. Now fold in all your ingredients. Fold in everything to your stir fry. All your meat and stuff like that. Make sure all your seasonings incorporate all together. See how it's coming together? You got the egg in it, got the peas, you got the carrots. Now here you can add your green onions if you have them. Now I don't have any green onions, but I might, add them on the end like that. But it smells really good, you guys. And what you next want to do, add a little black pepper. So I like to add a little black pepper on top. That's all you need. Probably like a teaspoon of black pepper. And I like a little lemon. So I add a little, lemon pepper. Just a little bit, probably 1 teaspoon of lemon pepper. And that's it. Not much. If you don't want too much of a zest. And just stir it up, you guys. Stir all your seasonings in. And this is how simple and easy you make stir fry. So let me finish and plating this up, and I'll show you the end results. Now this is how you make, you know what I'm saying, stir fry with leftovers. Real simple and easy. Something you can put together for the family. And they're really good, you know what I'm saying, it's real cost efficient, and it's leftovers, you guys. You know what I'm saying? So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm Chef KC. Thanks for stopping in my class today. And, you know, and I will see you guys in the next one. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. See you later.